Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon 2021 Collection 2022 from Chausson, which has the spirit of innovation. How do I know that? Well, it's written down there on that poster. This vehicle here is the 660 exclusive line, and it's exclusive, so I'm going to take you up here, tell you a little bit about it. But for reading off this sign, well, it's 292 meters in height, 211 must be in width. No, hang on, that's wrong. It says 235 in width, 7 meters 699 long. 4 sitting places, 4 eating places, 4 sleeping places, and let's go in now. Oh, sorry, we can't go in. This is the exclusive line, and unfortunately, we have to use the tradesman's entrance. Sorry, so that's the exclusive people use that entrance, and the non-exclusive ones have to come round the back. So there we go. So we've gone on the back and into the garage. So then we'll come round into here. Well, how about that then? So if you're exclusive, of course, you can use the main entrance, but only in the case of being exclusive. This van, you must agree, is incredibly different. Didn't say it was incredible, I said it's incredibly different. There you are. It's based on the Ford. Got this space up here. But hey, we'll look at that in some of the incredibly undifferent vans. This table looks as though it's got some unusual use. Look at that. Oh, that is different, isn't it? There we go. Might even leave it like that. That'll confuse people who come in. And there, got the exciting program on the television. Bed up there. Sleeps 4. Where do you think the other 2 are going to go? Well, it's pretty obvious, isn't it? It's on this on this table. Well, via these chairs as well. I wonder if I can get the bed to come down. Let's see if I can get the bed to come down. Probably won't be able to do it. No, I can't get the bed to come down. Anyway, the urge was there to get the bed to come down, but I'm afraid it's not coming down. Let's have a look at this, for example. The sideboard for the television. That's pretty good, isn't it? Really? I notice it's also got some plugs in here, but to be quite honest, it'd be quite difficult getting. Oh, maybe it would be possible. Maybe there's just about enough room in there to do the connections. I noticed down here as well that we've got access to drawers here. All this stuff's here is for the bed, and let's have a look in here. Oh, found something in there. Coming to the back, what could be in here? It's a very big wardrobe. Now, they probably wouldn't be leaving their private things in this when the fair is on. It's not. This is the professionals' day, and this is exactly the same fridge as I've got, only it's cleaner. Oh, and this hasn't been broken yet. I mean, the kitchen's absolutely enormous. 2 rings, as you can probably tell from the outside. It might be sufficient for you. Stack of room up here. I'm not a fan of Chausson. I don't know if I like this van or I don't like it. I might come in here in 2 years' time and say, oh, this van's a waste of time, but at the moment I think it's quite interesting. This thing here moves. I think it's connected via a magnet. There you go, there's your shower. And the toilet has a sliding door. How about that? Now, you can close the tradesman's entrance off like that. But if you're expecting the tradesman to come around, then you can keep it open like that. Yeah, I think these things are pretty good as well. I think that's pretty smart. Easy to do as well. Plenty of space here as well, isn't there? I'd be curious now what other people think. I can't see anything wrong with this big garage yet. I'm sure I'll find something wrong with it. But for the moment, I can't find it. I can't see anything. So that was a bit heavier than I was expecting. But also, I don't know if that's out of place in the motorhome or not. I'm thinking about it. It's a bit on the heavy side, to be honest. This isn't the sort of thing I'd normally want to do with one hand. Here, we'll go up the main entrance. Let's hope that nobody sees us doing it. Right, write down your comments about this van because I do find it really unusual. Right, bye. And right, comes with an equipment package, 5,000 euros, which includes the awning, solar, and TV. And this, sorry, 16-inch hubs, radio, Bluetooth, touch screen, and a reversing camera. You know, I just make the point, actually, often though, it can be cheap if you actually put them things on yourself rather than let the dealer do it. I do actually on my website, not my website, this YouTube site, I do mention a number of places or number of companies which actually, or suppliers of things of this nature. Note, I don't think I mentioned this, got a door here as well, so that's the tradesman's other entrance in the smaller tradesman. Right, this van is very unusual. Yeah, I do find it very, very curious. Okay then, so as today is the opening day of this event, there are a number of press conferences, although people are now clearing off, and I shall now show you the Chausson press conference. I've been told to be quiet. So there you go, there's the Chausson press conference. Yeah, we'll walk a bit closer.
Sorry, hello.
No, I'm not allowed to go in, so I'll end it there. So obviously Chausson don't want me in there. Well, it's a pity, isn't it, really, after I said such a nice thing about their conference. Okay, all the best from Düsseldorf.